It is January 2nd, 2022. Hey guys, this is Kate with Vegged Out Gardening, where we talk about gardening in Zone 5B-ish, depending on what year it is. And it might be snowy and cold and sad out there, gardening-wise, but there's actually a few things we could be doing, including planning. You can plan your face off with a garden. It might not all happen, but you can really enjoy planning for your garden. One thing that will be really helpful to get all the ideas rolling is seed catalogs. Lots and lots of seed catalogs, as many as you can acquire. And they're all for free. But to get started with planning any garden is to understand your goals. What do you want out of your garden specifically? Do you want food? Do you want flowers? What kind of food? Do you want fruits and vegetables? Flowers for bees or butterflies, perennial or an annual flower garden, rain garden. The possibilities are endless. And so the next thing is to understand your limitations. Is it a limitation of space, time, or money? And usually it's all three. If you have never started a garden before, start small, see how you do with it. There we go. If you already have a garden, what do you want to change, or what do you need to change? Did you kind of go a little overboard last summer, and you have to scale it back, or did you have a lot of fun and you want to expand? So understanding your goals and your limitations is the first step for planning your garden. What else could we talk about? And what I would do is also write out all of your goals and limitations. This will help you with fully fleshing out all of your hopes and possibilities. And of course, what will help with that is to daydream with the seed catalogs. It's a lot of fun, and there's actually a lot of helpful information, a lot of growing information. But all of the seed catalogs are starting to come in. I just got all of these within the last 2 weeks. And you just go onto their website, ask for one, and they'll send you one. So it's a lot of fun, very colorful, beautiful, inspirational, and informational. So have fun with it. So start there and let me know how it goes. Next week we'll probably talk a little more about some other things you can plan for, and potentially start gathering some of your equipment. See you next week on Vegging Out Gardening with me, Kate.